Okay, fans of rusty logging machines. So this is the skidder that we showed you earlier, and I just want to show you the nature of the property that we're on here. So I'm going to walk out of here. There's a big cypress boom here, what looks to be some snorkel parts, a big lattice boom, lots and lots of heavy-duty metal, all the good stuff here. Skidder's back in there. I'm going to take you for a walk down the road. Just take a second. There's all this heavy-duty metal here. Skidder's in behind. It's actually the first time I've been into that skidder there. First time I've gotten close to it. That's pretty cool. Some more metal coming up, and then I was surprised on this trip. This other 892 hoe moved on its own power until it got to here anyway. More metal, tons and tons of metal. There's a top of a spar. So this machine actually moved. I thought it was dead. I got pictures of it sitting up the trail here last time. Looks like the track has kind of come askew here a little bit. These guys got her running. I don't know what she looked like or how much smoke came out, but she was a runner. I'm going to take you up the other trail here. Big freezer door handle. Door opens nice. Engine stuff, interesting stuff. Anyway, leave you to it. There we go. So from previous videos, you probably remember some of the stuff up here. That's another excavator up there grown in the blackberries. Logging trucks, crew buses, crummies. I'm going to see if I can remember there's all sorts of stuff in here. There's buckets, excavator buckets of all sorts, quick changes. Swing around here. Crew buses, there's an old snorkel loader over there. First aid buggies, yarder or grapple. Can't remember what it was from our last trip. I don't know, cypress, whatever it might be. Excavator. Now it's going to go for a little bushwhacking here because there's a cool thing I wanted to show you. I got to come back again in the future and get some pictures of this other stuff in here, but I'm going to go back in to where I was before. So I'm going to take you on a walk over top of these pickup trucks here. Crew caps galore. Try and make it through here without stabbing myself with something, falling on something bad. There's, for an unknown reason, there is a farm tractor in here. More crew cabs. Like, as far as the eye can see in here, I don't know what the camera picks up. There's an off-road logging truck, more crew cabs, an old high-ab truck. It's got a big fan on it, so I don't know if that's, I guess that is attached to the tractor. For blowing air, I guess. For, I don't know, starting fires, maintaining fires back in the old days. So there's this old farm tractor. Another logging truck. What's left of it. So let's see if we can step across this without killing ourselves. Yeah, somewhere in here. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I'm going to try not to disturb Mama, but I saw this earlier today when we came in here. There's a little pig's nest. Perfect little spot. Right in there. There we go. I'm going to bail out of here. I don't want to cause too much fuss around Mama. There's a high-ab truck. You can hear Mama just tripping off. Dump truck over there. Maybe I'll just take you for a walk over top here. Hopefully you guys have the time and patience for this, so I'm just going to put the camera down while I jump up on top here. Fall off, fall through the roof. Crane truck. Logging truck. Oh, how did I do this last time? More crew cabs. Fuel trucks over there. Dump truck. Unknown what that old guy was. Don't know. Some sort of turning axle rig. So let's go. Ouch. Whoa. Got lots of things to catch on here. Let's go across the top of this guy here. Ah, we're getting hung up. Okay. Bear with me for a sec. Find a way out of here. Okay, now that I got down here, falling below where the camera is. There we go. Got ducks in here too, apparently. Some old iron. Logging truck. Okay, so maneuver out of here. Like this old guy here, it's a smallish kind of truck, but tandem axle. I think I'll make my way through here. Good stuff. You've seen this in the past with some of the still photos. There's an old D8 that's set up for rock drilling. Must have been the most terrible machine in the world to drill rock with, but I guess it's all they had in the day. There's drill controls up through there. Compressor sat on the back. Drill was mounted on the front here. So it's the drill was placed by driving the cat to the right place and I guess swinging the boom in. I don't think there was any extension involved. So it was probably the hardest way in the world to get some rock drilled. More tandem axle fuel trucks. This must be the fuel truck department of this boneyard. Another one over there. I'm going to come back at some point and brush out this D8, get some good pictures of it. Front end loader or stacker. Traditional rock drill. Another cat loader. Ambulances. That excavator that we circled around before. That grove of off-highway logging trucks is back in here in between this other snorkel machine, log loader. And that's it for now with this particular video. So thanks for watching. We're going to be doing more. We're going to come back to this place and other places and bushwhack our way in to show you new and wonderful discoveries. So thanks, and we'll see you. Bye.